Some interference. Interference increases immunity of our body by producing antibodies. Interference increases immunity of body by producing antibodies. They are antiviral protein. Antiviral. They allow for communication between the cells. Trigger the protective defense of the immune system that eradicate pathogens or tumors. Tumors, cells trigger the protective defense. Communication between the cells trigger. What is CDAC, ICMR, and TRA stand for? CDAC Center for Development of Advanced Computing. ICMR Indian Council of Medical Research. ICMR. TRAI Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. स्टूडेंट्स जो भी करो, चुनाव लड़ो, कंटेस्ट इलेक्शंस, पूरा देश की 20 करोड़ किसान मिलके, नहीं तो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी मार डालेंगे। देश को बचाने के लिए चुनाव लड़ो। टेलीकॉम रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी इंडिया, सीडीएक, सेंटर फॉर डेवलपमेंट एंड एडवांस कंप्यूटिंग, इसमें प्लैनेट बी, एंटिस कॉर्पोरेशन. Japan became the third nation ever to send a spacecraft to Mars when it blasted off a probe then called Planet B. Koksima Space Center on the southern island of the Kyushu. While on its way to Mars, Planet B was renamed Nozomi, which means hope. Hope. Distributed random access memory DRAM. JPG Joint Photographic Export Group. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. IMAP. What is digital signature and what is used for? Digital signature is a special kind of encrypted signature used as a means of authenticating electronic documents. It is necessary for electronic commerce. What is digital signature and what is used for? Digital signature is a special kind of encrypted signature, especially kind of as means of authenticating electronic documents. What is Ethernet? Ethernet is a local area networks. देश को बचाने के लिए स्टूडेंट चुनाव लड़ो, अदरवाइज देश बर्बाद हो जाए। पॉलिटिकल पार्टी देश को बर्बाद कर देंगे। 70 से 80 साल से एवरी कंट्री स्टूडेंट्स इंडिपेंडेंटली चुनाव लड़ो। किसान फार्मर्स वीडियो पूरा शेयर करो ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड। इट्स मैसेज इन एवरी कंट्रीज, अमेरिका, ईरान, चुनाव लड़ो स्टूडेंट, किसान, नौजवान। पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के हाथ में डोंट लीव योर कंट्रीज अपन पॉलिटिकल पार्टी। डेमोक्रेटिक कांग्रेस कितना युद्ध करा रहे हैं पॉलिटिकल पार्टी। विश्व युद्ध वर्ल्ड वार हुआ वही नाजी पार्टी के लिए। अमेरिकन का डेमोक्रेटिक कांग्रेस कितना इराक, ईरान, विदेश को ध्वस्त कर दिया है, अफगानिस्तान, वियतनाम। इथरनेट इज लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क यूज टू इंटरकनेक्ट कंप्यूटर इक्विपमेंट को। रेडियो फ्रिक्वेंसी सिग्नल समटाइम्स इट इज वेरी कॉमन टाइप ऑफ लैन। हैंडशेक in computer language. Handshake computer language refers to control codes which govern the transfer of data. They govern exchange of data between a computer and its peripherals. They govern exchange of data between computers and its peripherals. What is vermicomposing? Vermicomposing is a process of producing carbonic fertilizer by biochemical process. Earthworm and biological waste. Vermicomposing. Earthworm convert the biological waste available in the soil, such as the remains of the crop, waste animals, into carbonic fertilizers. Useful in crop production without any special effort by man. The process is part of life cycle of earthworms, so it never stops and don't require replacing them. No harmful effect to the soil or fertility. Seriously useful also benefits for human nutrition by human social welfare health. In a context, vermicomposting can be useful cottage industry for the underprivileged and the economically weak, provide them with a supplementary income. If every village can formulate a cooperative society of unemployed youth, it could be wise venture for them to produce vermicompost, sell it back to the village at a recommended price. The youth will not only earn money but also aid society by providing excellent quality of organic manure for sustainable agro practice. Vermicomposting also leads to decrease the environmental problems arising from their disposal without needing in many cases to complete the process. Vermicomposting also leads to decrease the environmental problems decrease and arising from their disposals without needing any in many cases to complete the process. What are the stem cells? But why they have been used recently? Stem cells is in news. Types of cells that are able to grow into any kind of a specialized tissue, so they can be used to grow into heart, skin, liver, blood, any other kind of cells. The ability to grow into any kind of specialized tissue. Actually, stem cell it can grow into any types of tissues. Used to grow into heart, skin, blood, liver, any other kind of cells. These cells are taken from their patient's own body. Cells are taken from his bone marrow. If it is newly born child, placenta cells are taken. The stem cells can also be produced from embryos or from umbilical cord blood. Umbilical cord embryos. The ability to grow into required types of tissue. Make the eligible to carry many diseases. Actually,